Hello everyone, welcome to Crafting with Cora. Today what I want to show you is how to weld pieces of an image together so that it cuts all as one piece. So I'm going to go ahead and open up Cricut Design Space. I'm going to click on Upload. And I'm going to use this SVG here that I got from Love SVG. And it says My First Boo. So this is something you'd put on a onesie or on a t-shirt for a baby's first Halloween. So I made the image a little bit bigger so it's easier to work with. And I want you to look on the right hand side over here, and you can see that the boo has a bunch of different pieces. So because we don't want to cut each piece individually and then have to piece it back together to put it on the shirt, what we're going to do is we're going to weld this whole orange section together so that it makes one piece, so that it cuts all as one. So to start, we're going to click on the image itself. We're going to go into Ungroup. And then we're going to highlight all of the orange portions and we're going to click Weld. Now, before I click Weld, I just want you to look here and see all the pieces in the orange and then see how once I click Weld, they're going to turn into one piece. So now all the little orange pieces turned into one piece. So now when that gets cut, it's going to cut as one whole piece instead of cutting as several pieces. I'm going to do the same thing here for the first. So because you can see here it's three different pieces, so when I'm going to be cutting it on my vinyl, it's going to create three separate pieces instead of cutting it like this, which means that then I'm going to have to piece them together one by one on my shirt instead of kind of as a whole. So what I want to do is click on the image, click Weld, and you see all the three of them turned into one. I'm going to do the same thing here for the My, because we don't want it to cut out with YM, we want it to cut out as MY. So then we're going to click Weld, and now all of these are all one piece, and they're going to cut that way. So what you want to do now is you want to select all of it together, and then click Group, so that way you can move it and size it together. If you don't select group first, what's going to happen is you're going to have this image here and you're going to size that one, and then you're going to have to resize them all individually. So by grouping them together, it sizes as a whole. So that's it for Crafting with Cora. Thanks for checking out our video. Happy crafting!